We've got a waterfall just over there, but I promised you a treat, and this is it. And here, what we have here is a mine. This was a silica mine. Silica coming from sandstone here, and silica is a very important commodity for fire bricks. There we go, look, very important warning there. Mine exploration carries fire risks. We are not going to go in, but I can't imagine there's much fire risk in this mine because it wasn't a coal mine, but certainly silica dust is a risk because it was a silica mine, and I can't imagine that's really monitored, but we're not going to go in anyway. But I will respect the sign, and but I'll just stand in the entrance here and give you a little image of what's in there. I think I can see some light coming in from somewhere else, so there must be, can you see that light there? There must be another opening somewhere, not sure where. Could be that other opening next door. We'll have a little look at that. Now apparently getting the silica rock out of this mine was quite difficult. Originally there was a tramway, but that was washed away, and so what they did was they constructed an aerial ropeway. I don't think that is the same opening here. This opening is clearly facing a different way, and there were 3 mines here, or 3 mine entrances, and I'll just see if we can get any more detail if we zoom in. I'm not equipped to go into a mine today, don't even have a torch with me, let alone a hard hat or overalls, so not even going to risk it. But yeah, apparently there are 3 mines here, all of which go in on a different heading, and they mine the same rock, which is a silica rock, and I think you can see some of the silica here that was mined out. It's in the form of a well cemented sandstone here. You see that there? And on that side as well. And there's small amounts of it left, obviously to form the pillars. But there's a nice rounded concretion there, look, that you can see, formed of silicate or cemented sandstone. So that is the silicate mine here.